Bafetha nisho. Ku-right yini ukuthi umfazi mebuya emsebenzini akhumule iweave ebese egeza i-makeup? Ngisholo ukuthi imina yini okufana abone ububi abe muhle emsebenzini azoba mubi la endlini.
Hello Mzansi and the world, welcome to another special episode here on Mzansi's Finest Videos. My name is Davis, guys. Welcome everyone. Please like, comment and share. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. What is that? Batu.
And lekete banna pila the homework notes abana di difficult o sa khatla go re wena o jola le lepodisa bye
ubani ufuna ukulazi iphumpho lami? Do you really want to know my dream?
Lepodisa like I say, it's homework.
My dream is to be a billionaire like my father.
Wow.
Oh, but your father is a billionaire. No, he's also dreaming to be a billionaire. We got the same dream. My father dreams to be a billionaire. Myself, I've got that dream like my father.
Ba bangwe re kwa ka bona gore ke ma 2000 mara rena re iponela bomme ba seswaite ka ba dijalo.
The first reason why you should never date a Pretorian. Wa bona ha le motho a dikeledinyana tsa masepa o seganyentse o ipona o rotha keledi o seganyentse o ka se loke ka mjola ko Pitori o ka se loke ka mmemma o live every day a gana o lisa ke anyense breakfast lunch and supper o lisa ke motho o jolang le ena hape he o le motho a malwetsi-lwetsinyana makgwatswa daddy anxiety depression tswa da apara jazz ba batle oh my god I'm so sensitive sa mo jola zeras to tshwarelang thipa bogaleng se le tape le teng wa tlhanya o nthuke matlhanya o sa tlhanya o tlhanya ka nkanye le skara ka le botsa he jola Pitori wena ke re wena o nang di shares ko Vescopies
bafethu we really need to be honest ka taba ya o jola banyana ba lo reng abanya go ira selo ka maphelo.
My brother khata ngwanyana o as soon as possible. Mokate o eleng gore ene o tlisa beauty fela mo relationship ya lona mokate very quickly because beauty is not going to raise your kids. Her sexy body is not going to do anything for your future. Even if you do God forbid you pass away and you leave 5 million rands, she won't know what to do with it. She will not know what to do with it. So katang the liability mo maphelong a lona ke 2026 guys. Be real with life. Life is straightforward guys.
Mateng go tsenga se KFC a sa butsisiwa guys. KFC a ibutsu. Ke le botsenga se ke sinya aga hana guys aga kwate. Guys aga kwata guys go tsoka ke le botsenga se malo banda ke KFC. Isa butso lu butswa. Aga re kaje ke ra bu kubiri ena le madi. KFC a sa butsisiwa. KFC kopana le butse seng KFC eo. KFC kopana le butse KFC a sa butsisiwa. Basana ke rata di horse tsela tso baba tsela di weeks di a butso mara KFC ai butso fokol di weeks a di butso ke straight na mai butso ka mo tha ba butse se KFC ya go tha ali butse se KFC go bala le brand name pila tha we go bala le se KFC le na KFC we manager wa KFC go bala le se KFC ai butse KFC le na manager ke kibidu
ela umunya le thata wena go ka jola le monno re yene ga di spice KFC ai butse monna wa di ulcer le shokolla ow you can do better.
Na ke nonya go no mpotsa gore o ba byang in a serious relationship le ngwanyana o lo re mo kreile a tsentse implant na thibela eng before wena o tlo fitla
Thibela la maesa botswa.
Awunazo yini impahla bafo?
A very good question, even though you're trying to embarrass Zeus of the demigod. And I say it's a good question because it brings me into the next phase of, is it necessary for rappers to be good looking? And what I want to introduce now is abstract thinking. And this is something American hip-hop was able to forge in its listeners' minds. You take a careful look at a person that listens to hip-hop, for the most part, they are abstract thinkers. And the people that follow Zeus of the Demigod are abstract thinkers.
Hey guys, usahamba mina ngiyobona ubaba mne.
Evan, unale papa? How nice. Monna uweek unale papa?
Mina ngimang cause mina mathi papa. Ngithi mina sikhuluma ngobuhobe papa yela like papa.
Kamana umuntu omubi amona obale papa, umuntu gay wena sankhali ngibona. Guys, manyana guys, ngiyobona Stefara sam. Uqiniso washo.
Le 35 for 40 house we fit. Mara o kono robalo sa no ate. A bocha bo fedile sha. Bo fedile loss.
Allo nasibongile. Ukhona imbephu ukudlila kuwe kwapha emzini wakho ngutshengisa amapijama amamatha. Ngilama pijama amamatha ngibuyela ngibele goli sisi. Hayi angikumbuluzeli nyakwasula amapitikoti kodwa ngenzela phela ukuthi nxa linginyela phana labo nasandra lithi yena kodwa amapijama ulawo. Matha sibili sizaya yakhudumala. Hayi nxa ngafuna ukumbingelela woba phela la uthangele yadi ubuphandle mpho ngikudlula ngithi hello. Mpho ngikuthi hello kodwa ngifuna ubona ukuthi hayi amapijama ngilawo. Akufanani intombi. Kulungile intombi. Bye bye.
Hello.
Dinza.
Where
am I?
Okay,
sharp. Go with a few questions, ne? Few questions. Okay, then. Do you define yourself as a compartmentalizer?
No.
Okay, why are you?
Compartmentalizer. True.
Keremar.
Okay, sharp.
It's a gibis zozos. Yaman, wazala.
Anong baba?
Oza. Awutshela umngane wami igama lakho nesibongo sa.
Igama lami aliphelele oreliwa.
Lele eliku passport.
Thabo, welcome trophy Shumba.
Angafakela kaThabo, awuThabo yela la, yathi lakho le. Khulumela khona mampela.
Welcome trophy Shumba.
Wahle. So wena uzongibiza umbize malumba bathili ngengaki? Nge30. Wena nge29 ebusuku. Ngilinda ukuthi isikhathi sithi 00.
Siyakuphi ungisazu.
Midnight.
30 June. Trophy Shumba. Wena uzokumbiza ngomalumbaba wena. Yes.
Also, this thing saying South Africans also commit crime. Where? In South Africa. If South Africans were not committing crime, our prisons would be empty. Let the government deal with their people the way they see fit. Not that you go to another country and commit crime, then you say, but they also do it. If my children are doing something bad in my home, let me deal with it. Don't say, your children also do it. It doesn't work like that. Go home. I can't be here committing crime and then say, no, the people here also do it. It's not my country. I have to go home.
And ladies, I understand that, you know, sometimes relationship is trauma. Bana lo bua maka, you know, I depend maka or which individual are you dealing with. Some guys babua makanya na masesaninya na fela, you know, some guys babua makama gima, you know, that is my housemate and her children. Ile mosadi le bana ba gage, you know. Sometimes, you know, just to charm, you know, they must move from this charming phase to the relationship phase. During this period, if they like you well enough, and if they are trying to get something and they want it really bad, you know, we understand. Or sometimes you get seduced by these lies and you find out when it's too late for yes, and it's too late for me now to backtrack, or this and that with him. I've committed this and this portion of my life to this idiot or this liar, you know. But sometimes the signs are there from the beginning. The sign and a thing, the red flag ignore. Sometimes the signs are there from the start.
They are invisible.
December my cousin Omo wa ngwanyana in her 20s o dutse mo le ka mmona gore ne ha monate man mtsela ne ka ro jele sang tlhoko vinegar gore le no ai ya be le Adolphus go bua tshumi ya Adolphus ke yana ne Adolphus ke boyfriend la mathomo young lady at 20 you should not be getting your heart broken by Bo Adolphus ke batho ba go roba pelo le bo Phineas o le bo 80s or 7 o le ko old age. You cannot be getting your heart broken by an Adolphus in your 20s. In your 20s o tsama le bo Tshepo, you know, ha ile re ke mina sekgowa bo Brandon ya bo Marcus, you know, bo I don't know maina a mashimane nyana di chama boy mare bona bao e seng Adolphus marman at 20 years no le tlhabise ditlhong. Hi, so yeah, her friends are there. No, I see ubulele maloma gago ka Adolphus ke re rang le Adolphus ba tsena mo se le bile ngwana go ga ibile ke he lina la ge ke mpelegeng a se Adolphus ke ra ke re wa utlwa mpelege utlwa mo belega botshelo ba go botle mara fine ke re mfeng lina la moshimano ke mo lebelle mo Facebook mo wena. First of all, black people are tlhaloganya ne. Let us agree gore tint e white or platinum sometimes it's a malele tlalo skin texture, sometimes that tint e khona go ira black skin appear ka re ha wa tlhapa at all na go tint e platinum so moshimane ke o tintile ke mo lebeletse gore yo yes brick pad ya pikanto mara go siam re shebile I go scrolling the pictures tsa gage di tattoo nyana man di tattoo nyana tse di huleng ka pene le matches so di bona wa bona this is not a tattoo it's tuka or ha tse bitswang jo tse tsalo moto o itatkere what are you doing o no khatlile ke eng fa you know I'm failing to see gore what can a decent young lady really find a trick na ke tlhaloganya basadi la no rata la khatlwa ke dio tse di snack sela yo le go wana o go jartui. Then if that was not enough kerere ke bona mfana o tswa kae o tswa ka ba no I go check his bio nyana and some people ba kwala some people don't write. I go there, the first thing I come across a ke lebella mfana o kwetse if Jesus comes back I'll kill him again. If Jesus comes back I'll kill him again.
How old is Adolphus?
Then wena only a decent young lady wa 20 o botsa I love you ya gago wa go epega mo godimo ga Adolphus mpelegeng o batlang go bola Jesu. Look bonane I understand re tsene sekolo, some of us we question this thing at Jesus, some of us have accepted it, some of us are still on the line whatever. But if somebody has said if Jesus ha gona le ransom, nobody ever said gona le 15 million or 15,000 or Jesu a bola. This guy why taupa, he's taking it upon himself. Jesu ha ka tsena ha kitlo monsa mas. And then when I love you ya bohel we pega mo godimo ga tinti ya ga Adolphus tinti no some of time when we thinking na go tse ding le tsena mo di relationship le ntse le bona go ha mathata. This is problems, this is o ile kwa ntse batla go nna problem solver. If Jesus comes back o bua mas
guys, this was fun. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next upload. Take care. Happy Monday.